Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup customer emails and domains using GoDaddy email exports, full guide step by step clearly. To backup customer emails and domains using GoDaddy email exports, first, log in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the Workspace Emails section from your account dashboard. Locate the email account you wish to backup. Click on the three-dot menu next to the email account. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Scroll down to find the Export option. Click on Export to begin the email export process. Choose the format for the email export, typically either .pst or .mbox. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection. Wait for the system to generate the export file. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the link to download the email export file to your device. Next, backup your associated domains. From your GoDaddy account dashboard, go to the Domains section. Identify the domain you want to backup. Click on the domain name to open its settings. Take note of essential information, such as DNS settings and contact information. Consider copying this information to a secure location for easy access. If available, utilize the option to export your DNS settings if you need them for future use. Once you have gathered all necessary data, ensure it is stored in a secure location. Review all backed up files and information to ensure completeness. Make periodic backups to maintain updated records of your emails and domains. This process will help in safeguarding your customer emails and domain information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.